Change is the end result of all true learning. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Education without values, as useful as it is, seems rather to make man a more clever devil. The learning process continues until the day you die. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire.